Samidoh nĩ arakorirwo agĩcanjamũra mafans ake na ndeto cia magegania kũrĩa araumbũrire atĩ Ke alongside big names in the country such as Sauti Sol, Evelyn Wanjiru, Mercy Masika, Khaligraph Jones, Trio Mio, Size 8 and many more will be releasing a song today on Thursday at 5 p.m. rwĩmbo rwa kũhunjia thayũ, and he actually wrote this saying peace is not when everyone agrees, it is when we can respect our disagreements and still play in the sandbox together. A message to all Kenyans, let's maintain peace. New release featuring Sauti Sol, Wairi the Love Child, Evelyn Wanjiru, Mercy Masika, Trio Mio, Size 8, Khaligraph Jones na Samidoh at 1700 hours Thursday, August 4th, 2022. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ĩrakorirwo ĩkĩamũkĩrwo na gĩkeno kĩnene mũno nĩ mafans ake kuona atĩ rĩu Samidoh will be featuring alongside these big names that we have in the country, na nĩ maramũtũgĩirie mũndũ na kũmũcongratulate matongoretio nĩ Rechongi gĩakiuga keep rising. It is a big move and congratulations to Samidoh. His fans can't wait for the song to drop. He says it is dropping today at 5 p.m. So let's wait and see. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe gũkũ gwa Kikuyu Entertainment News kũrĩa tũkũrehagĩra the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news as soon as they happen. Join the team, subscribe now and you'll never miss an update.